Pioneer has some very interesting records of first accomplishments in space. One of the ones that comes to mind is Cassini. It has a very unique rigid flex PWB built inside that uses adhesiveless material in a rigid flex PWB construction. The technology that went into producing a rigid flex circuit board for the Mars Pathfinder mission was a first in the industry. JPL went in search of a company that could build a 30-layer complex rigid flex with 7 sublaminates. This was the first use of flex material that was to start the evolution of the rigid flex implement into space vehicles. One of the most successful missions that landed on Mars was the Phoenix lander. It had a robotic arm on it that had a unique spliced extended length flex cable that allowed it to scoop into the Earth and pick up data that had never been picked up before. The New Horizon mission is another first for Pioneer, being the furthest out in space for any space vehicle. Both Spirit and Opportunity rovers now on Mars have on board the longest flex circuit ever used in a robotic mission outside Earth's atmosphere. It's gone over 10 years now and is still operational today. The Curiosity rover that is currently on Mars has a unique extended length flex that works in the robotic arm and on the camera mast. We are now in the process of building parts for M2020, the future rover that will take the place of Curiosity. It too is nuclear powered and weighs a ton. It will have a whole new challenge in front of it. New instruments, new technologies, new capabilities. We are now testing some heavy ounce copper flex circuits to provide that application and that ability. There's a possibility of water on Mars that is coming out of cliffs that the larger rovers can't get to. The small collapsible rover can be sent there on a lander and investigate these cliffs without jeopardizing large dollars or the vehicle themselves. It's never been done before. It's a first. This has opened the window for brand new applications never before used in this industry.